Let me ask you something. You have tried every diet, you have done every workout, and yet stubborn belly fat, saggy arms, and low energy are still holding you back. Here is the truth. Most people think fat loss is about eating less and moving more. But the real problem? It's hormonal, it's cellular, it's metabolic. And in 2026, HGH peptides like Tesamorelin, AOD 9604, Ipamorelin, and CJC 1295 are going to completely change the game. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how this peptide works, why they are the future of fat loss, and how they improve body composition, and more importantly, how they address the pain points almost everyone struggles with. Energy crashes, stubborn belly fat, low muscle mass, and poor recovery. First, let's be real. Most fat loss fail because people loses muscle, not fat. They cut calories, do endless cardio, and yes, they lose weight, but their metabolism tanks. The problem? Hormones. Growth hormone, IGF-1, and the signaling pathway that regulates fat metabolism slows down with age. That's where the fat loss peptide comes in. They target the root cause, not just the scale. Fat loss peptides are short chain of amino acid that stimulates hormone release or act directly on fat metabolism. The ones we focus on today: Tesamorelin, clinically shown to reduce visceral fat. AOD 9604 activates fat burning pathway without affecting blood sugar. Ipamorelin and CJC 1295 stack, a GH secretagogue stack that increases natural growth hormone pulses. These peptides work at the cellular and hormonal level, meaning they help your body burn fat efficiently, preserve muscle, and improves recovery. Let's talk about Tesamorelin, the belly fat crusher. Tesamorelin is a synthetic peptide originally developed for HIV-associated lipodystrophy. Here is how it works. It stimulates growth hormone release, targets visceral fat in the abdomen, improves lipid profile and metabolic markers. The real-life benefits of Tesamorelin are patient loses that stubborn belly fat that won't budge no matter what. Energy and recovery improves. Lean muscle mass is preserved. No crash diets here. And here is the controversial point. Most people over 35 can get the same result just by dieting. This is why Tesamorelin may become the go-to abdominal fat solution in 2026. AOD, the fat burning shortcut. AOD 9604 is the fragment of human growth hormone, but it only targets fat, not muscle or glucose. It activates lipolysis, the fat breakdown, suppresses fat formation, doesn't spike insulin or affect blood sugar. Why does it matter? Unlike typical growth hormone therapy, you don't risk insulin resistance. People report smoother energy, faster fat loss, and better body composition while taking this peptide. Think of it as a 2026 fat burning tool for metabolically frustrated patients. GH secretagogue stack, Ipamorelin plus CJC 1295. Now this is where the magic happens. Ipamorelin plus CJC 1295 stimulates your pituitary gland to release growth hormone naturally. And this has cascading effects. Fat loss. GH triggers lipolysis. Muscle gain. GH preserves and builds lean tissue. Recovery. GH improves tissue repair. Energy and sleep. GH improves mitochondrial function. Here is the controversial truth. Some trainer thinks all GH secretagogue are the same. They are not. The combination stack is the future of anti-aging and fat loss. How this peptide addresses real pain point. Let's break it down for everyday people. Struggling with stubborn fat that won't budge? Use Tesamorelin plus AOD. Low energy and poor metabolism? GH secretagogue. Loss of lean muscle mass? GH pulses from Ipamorelin CJC 1295. Poor recovery? GH plus peptide that improves tissue repair. Difficulty sleeping? Natural growth hormone pulses improve sleep archetype. This isn't just aesthetic. This is feeling strong, energized, and in control of your body again. Future of fat loss. Here is the exciting part in 2026 we'll see. Personalized peptide stacks. Combination with GLP-1 microdosing for appetite and metabolism. Integration with mitochondrial support and NAD therapy. Fat loss without sacrificing strength, energy, or skin quality. This is not a diet hack. This is a next level metabolic medicine. Let's talk about some safety. These peptides are powerful, so safety matters. Use pharmacy-grade peptides only. Work with clinician for dosing and get a regular lab done. Monitor IGF-1, glucose, and lipid profile. Avoid unregulated online products. Research backed, not bro science. Every peptide here has clinical studies supporting fat loss, GH release, and body composition benefits. But here's the real talk. Fat loss isn't just diet and exercise anymore. Most people over 35 cannot lose belly fat efficiently without hormonal support. Peptides are not cheating. They restore the natural pathway that are underperforming. Using peptide responsibly may future-proof your metabolism. People will argue it's unnatural, but so is sitting on the couch, getting fat and losing muscle. That's unnatural too. To recap, Tesamorelin, EOD 9605, Ipamorelin plus CJC 1295 equals a top fat loss peptide for 2026. They preserve muscle, improve energy, and accelerate fat loss. They target root metabolic dysfunction, not just calorie deficit. They can be stacked strategically for maximum body composition results. If you want more science-backed peptide education, metabolic hack, and performance tip, hit subscribe, follow, and share this video with anyone struggling with stubborn fat or low energy. The future of fat loss is here, and it's hormonal, cellular, and medical grade.